Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in a series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 3927 track cleaning car. As you see, the new air conditioner is in and running, so it's actually getting habitable in here again. So, in any case, I've made a rather crude sponge for this, and right now I've got it soaked with alcohol for cleaning the track. Now, they specifically say do not use flammables because of the potential for sparks from that motor, but good enough for a test. Anyway, I've got the 8351 Santa Fe diesel. Remember, this is not a powered car. All the power does is run that cleaning brush. So anyway, let's take this around and see what happens. As you see, it is working. So they say run it nice and slow, about 4 times around the track. As you see, this is definitely working. Alright, we'll let it go around 2 more times. I'm running this nice and slow, of course. Alright, 1 more time around, we'll check the track and see how clean it got. We'll also see how that sponge is holding up. And obviously I'm not using a wiper yet. Alright, so let's see what the sponge looks like. Wow. Well, I would say it's definitely working. Now, as far as the rail goes, well, it's fairly clean. Anyway, for its first test, it's actually working quite well. So, with a wiper on it, of course, it'd probably work extremely well. That's a rather crude install of that sponge, but good enough for the first test. I just want to see if it works. Obviously, it does, as you can see. So I will sort out a wiper for it and put it on a dirty rail, and we'll try this, see how clean it'll actually get the track itself. But it is up and running. That was the important part. So I've got that motor lubricated the wheels. Again, this is not a powered car. You have to tow it behind a locomotive. But it is working, as you can see. So anyway, just a quick follow-up. First test of the rail cleaning car. I've got to clean up the shell. It's absolutely filthy. Now I'll reassemble it and figure out or sort out a wiper, and we'll take it from there. Anyway, it is up and running. The Lionel 3927 rail cleaning car. It works, as you see. 12 bucks on eBay. So it was definitely worth the money. Never even experimented with one of these before. Never really even seen one. Like I said, the 3927 is the only track cleaning car that is not self-propelled. It has to be towed. So it is working, and once I get the wiper sorted out, I'm sure this is going to make a great way to clean the track without actually having to do anything. Just run it around, let it clean the track. That wiper wipes off the excess, and you have clean rails. So a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.